Hello friend, welcome to Marine Engineering Hub. This is your narrator Ravi Gupta. Today we're going to talk about gas engine. Okay, this is the introduction video. In the upcoming video we're going to upload from basic to the advanced about the gas engine. In today's video we will see what is a gas engine, which gas we are talking about in a gas engine. After that, why we need gas engine, and after that, what are the areas where the gas engine is being implemented, and types of gas engine, and what nomenclature we can give to a gas engine. So let's begin the today video. That what do you mean by gas engine? So gas engine, it can be defined as an engine where we are using gas as a fuel component for the combustion purpose in 2-stroke and 4-stroke. So as you can see this diagram, basically the basic outline structure of a main engine of 2-stroke or 4-stroke is commonly same, but the main changes have been done in a cylinder head area. Okay, so here what we are doing, the fuel component earlier we are using was a heavy oil or diesel oil, but now we are shifting it to the gas engine. Now when we talk about the gas engine, the questions come to our mind that which gas we are talking about. So basically we are talking about the gas like methane, ethane, ammonia. These gases is been used inside the cylinder space for combustion purpose. Okay, so now the second question come to our mind, that why, means suddenly why we need a gas engine, means why the sudden requirement of gas engine. So the need of a gas engine is because it improves the combustion efficiency, it comply with the stringent regulation, especially NOx. So the most important part is that this gas engine which has been designed, especially the gas admission type of engine, are tier 3 compliance. Okay, and therefore it is much more preferable than compared to the fuel engine such as heavy oil or diesel oil. And the most important thing is that it comply with the Annex 6 IMO GHG emission strategic goal to reduce carbon emission, EEXI and CII, and alternate fuel choice short-term measure. So what do I mean by that? Now the IMO has made a GHG emission goal that by the end of 2070 there will be zero emission of a GHG, and by the end of this century there will be a zero carbon fuel. So to meet this requirement we are shifting to a gas engine, because the component of carbon in the gas engine is much lesser than the heavy oil component or MDO component. So because of that it is called short-term measure. Why short-term measure? Because the carbon hydrocarbon particles is much lesser as compared to the heavy oil and MDO, and therefore it is not eradicating, it is not eliminating the completely carbon emission, but it is reducing it. How much? You can say by 20% it can be reducing it. Okay, so now let's see something here in the map of the world map. So these areas which are in deep blue, these areas are the tier 3 compliant area. Means if you are going to these areas like Northern Sea, Baltic Sea and the American area, in that case you have to comply with the tier 3 emission if your engine is constructed after 1st Jan 2016. But this area which you can see, this area is gonna be added soon enough with the tier 3 compliant in a near future. Okay, so here you can see existing, these are the existing areas and these are the possible future area. Now the question comes to our mind, that what type of injection happen in the fuel component. So as you can see, this diagram you can see is basically of a gas injection engine. Here the gas is been admitted at a higher pressure. Okay, so basically the gas admission and gas injection are the two methods by which the gas engine is using the gas component for the combustion purpose. So gas engine can be depending upon the injection pressure can be broadly described into two types. So depending upon the injection pressure means in the injection pressure, based on injection pressure, we can describe it as a ME gas injection pressure engine and also ME gas admission engine. So in injection pressure engine, the pressure of injection is around 300 to 350 bar, but in the admission engine the pressure is around 4 to 8 bar. So now based on the type of fuel use, means if you are using gas, means right from the compressor to the here, if you are using a gas component, then it is called gas fuel such as methane or ethane. But if you are using a liquid fuel, it is called methanol or ethanol. So means we can use fuel like methanol, ethanol for combustion purpose. Also we can use gas fuels as methane, ethane for combustion purpose. So based on fuel type, it can be described as liquid fuel, gas fuel, and based on injection pressure, it can be described MEGI like gas injection pressure engine and MEGA gas admission engine. Now the nomenclature, if we combine the liquid fuel type of fuel, so it will be named as MELGIM, where ME is the main engine, L indicate for the liquid, and M indicate for the type of fuel. If you are using methanol as a fuel, then M is for methanol, and GI is the injection pressure, means how much pressure we are injecting. If we are injecting in pressurized form, then it is GI engine. Okay, if it is a GA, it means admission. So like here you can see ME engine means main engine, L is a liquid, A is here stand for ammonia as a fuel, and L is for liquid type of fuel, and GI is a gas injection pressure. So this is how we nomenclature the engine. So this was the introduction video. In the upcoming video, we're gonna talk about the difference between gas engine and the gas admission engine, and after that we will see that what are the safety component, what do you mean by window valve, what do you mean by ELWI valve, gas injection valve, window injection valve, window valve, means basically all the safety component of an engine. That's all we're going to talk about in the upcoming video. So please remain tuned. I'm going to make the whole series of the gas engine in which all the doubt will be cleared, and if you got any doubt still, you can ping me in the comment section and I will describe it. Thank you friend, have a good day.